Welcome to Glitz Nails Design. Get ready to unleash your wild side because today we're diving into 30 absolutely stunning polygel animal and zebra print nail designs that will have everyone asking where you got your nails done. Whether you're a nail tech looking for fresh inspiration or someone who loves bold statement nails, these designs are about to become your new obsession. Let's start with something that screams luxury and edge. Picture this, a sophisticated black base adorned with mesmerizing gold and green animal prints, elevated with sparkling gems and hypnotic snake swirls. This design perfectly balances elegance with that untamed animal magnetism we all crave. The way the gold catches the light against that deep black creates an almost mystical effect that's impossible to ignore. Now, if you're more drawn to softer vibes with a wild twist, imagine delicate pastel orange nails featuring intricate animal prints highlighted with shimmering gold and silver lines. This combination proves that animal prints don't always have to be bold and in your face. Sometimes the most captivating designs whisper rather than shout. Speaking of making statements, let's talk about zebra prints that absolutely pop. Picture fluorescent green nails with classic black and white zebra stripes, enhanced with dimensional gold squares that catch every ray of light. This design is pure energy in nail form, perfect for those moments when you want your hands to be the center of attention. For those who love depth and dimension, consider black and green zebra designs featuring raised gold swirls that you can actually feel. These aren't just painted nails, they're tiny sculptures on your fingertips. The contrast between the bold zebra pattern and the elegant metallic accent creates visual interest that keeps people looking. French tips get a wild makeover with zebra stripe patterns enhanced by three-dimensional swirls. This design takes the classic French manicure and transforms it into something completely unexpected. It's sophisticated enough for professional settings, yet playful enough to show your personality. Animal lovers will absolutely adore cute paw print designs on pastel purple bases, delicately decorated with tiny flowers. These nails tell a story of gentle wilderness, combining the fierce spirit of animals with the soft beauty of nature. Its femininity meets wild child in the most charming way. For maximum drama, purple and black animal prints with striking green and silver raised lines create an almost otherworldly appearance. These nails look like they belong in a fantasy realm where magic meets fashion. The color combination is unexpected, yet absolutely mesmerizing. Christmas meets safari with red nails featuring green tips and animal prints, highlighted with gold lines. This design proves that animal prints work for every season and every celebration. The festive colors combined with wild patterns create something truly unique. Soft meets fierce in light purple nails, showcasing both zebra and animal prints. This design demonstrates the versatility of animal patterns, showing how they can complement rather than overwhelm delicate color palettes. It's perfect for those who want to dip their toes into the animal print trend without going fully wild. Luxury takes center stage with zebra prints adorned with genuine gems on black and purple bases. These nails are investment pieces that transform your hands into living jewelry. The sparkle factor is off the charts, making every gesture a dazzling display. Earth tones get exciting with black and brown paw prints on forest green bases, enhanced with gold and silver raised lines. This design captures the essence of woodland adventures while maintaining sophisticated appeal. It's nature-inspired with a glamorous twist. Sweet Savage in pink candy swirl designs featuring animal and zebra prints. This unexpected combination creates nails that are simultaneously playful and fierce. It's like wearing your personality on your fingertips, showing both your soft and strong sides. Those that love glitter will gravitate towards striking red nails with zebra prints and abstract swirls that shimmer with every movement. These nails are pure confidence in polygel form. demanding attention wherever you go. The combination of bold color, wild patterns, and endless sparkle is absolutely irresistible. Elegance meets edge in simple yet stunning red and black asymmetrical zebra stripes accented with small gems. Sometimes the most powerful designs are the ones that know when to hold back. These nails prove that sophistication and wildness can coexist beautifully. Pastel blue and white create a dreamy backdrop for delicate animal prints that feel almost ethereal. This design is perfect for those who love subtle statements, proving that animal prints can be gentle and soothing rather than bold and aggressive. Sunshine gets wild with zebra stripes on brilliant yellow bases that radiate pure joy and energy. These nails are happiness in polygel form, guaranteed to lift your spirits and brighten everyone's day. Yellow is having a major moment, and this design shows exactly why. Drama reaches new heights with large gems adorning orange and black animal print designs featuring contrasting black tips. These nails are architectural marvels that combine multiple design elements into one cohesive masterpiece. Every angle offers something new to discover. Sophistication meets wilderness in stunning black and gray animal prints enhanced with jungle snake decals. These nails tell stories of exotic adventures and mysterious encounters. The monochromatic palette keeps things classy while the patterns add intrigue. Maximalist dreams come true with multiple animal and paw print designs featuring diamond swirls that create kaleidoscope effects. These nails are for those who believe more is always more, combining various patterns and textures into one spectacular display. Classic combinations get fresh updates with pink and black zebra and animal print designs that never go out of style. Sometimes the most timeless pairings create the most striking results, proving that some combinations are simply meant to be. Nostalgia meets now in retro fluorescent blue and pink zebra print designs that scream vintage vibes. These nails are time machines that transport you back to the most colorful decade while keeping you firmly planted in contemporary style. Luxury shines through zebra and animal print designs enhanced with diamond lines that create geometric interest. These nails are investments in your personal style, combining wild patterns with precious embellishments for maximum impact. Modern minimalism embraces animal prints in matte finishes that offer sophisticated texture without overwhelming shine. These nails prove that animal prints can be understated yet impactful, perfect for those who prefer subtle statements. Sometimes simplicity creates the strongest impact, as seen in clean black and white animal prints that let the patterns speak for themselves. These timeless designs work with every outfit and every occasion, proving that classic never goes out of style. We have this absolutely stunning blue and white zebra print creation loaded with sparkling gems that catch light from every angle. The contrast is so sharp, it practically screams confidence, and the gem placement creates the incredible dimensional effect that photographs beautifully. Moving into warmer territory, this design blends yellow, blue, and white animal prints with strategic glitter placement and carefully positioned gems. This combination gives you that perfect balance between playful and sophisticated, making it ideal for both casual days and special occasions. For those who love classic elegance with a twist, this design number features pink and white animal prints paired with French tips and multiple gems. The French tip base keeps it refined, while the animal print overlay adds that unexpected edge everyone will be asking about. Our next design takes a completely different approach with green swirls dancing alongside gold, black, and white animal prints. This color palette is so unique, and the swirl pattern creates movement that makes your nails look like miniature works of art. This design brings us back to French tips, but elevates them with pink and white animal prints crowned by large statement gems. These oversized gems become focal points that turn your nails into conversation starters. And finally, our deep pink design with animal and zebra prints accented by black gems creates this moody, sophisticated vibe that works beautifully for evening looks or when you want something more dramatic. Thank you for watching. If you liked or learned something, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, as we are dedicated to bringing you inspirational nail art design videos. You can also check out our nail art tutorial videos on our channel.